Hello everyone, I am Likith Salyan from Team Tech Warriors and Skywalkers. I am going to explain about our project which is based on a paper from Areca husk. Residue used in a better way. And problem statement is destructing value of the trees in the large number of production of paper. Increasing demand for tree based products are leading to global warming due to the deforestation. These are two problem statements, and solution for that is utilizing least used natural residue for manufacturing paper, reducing the cost of manufacturing and making it more familiar through marketing. Areca husk paper. This is a new thing which we initiated, and it's basically Areca husk is a natural bio residue, and which is thrown off, and using it for the production of paper will reduce the deforestation in a small amount, and it is in not in a large scale. But we will also be a source of income for the Areca growing farmers. It will be a good source for them. Underlying magic, residue used in a better way. It's one of them, and easily degradable. And this Areca husk can be further used to make cardboard and plywood. The source of the revenue to farmers too, moreover. And target markets, we are going to target markets by the paper, which is very essential component, so it is very useful in our daily life, and this can also be used in the sector like education, press, etc. And business model, the distribution channel. Distribution channel is the main initiative for distribution is through marketing by the means of online stores, and by reaching schools and colleges, and conveying them its needs, because the schools and colleges have better and more number of people who have increasing demand there. Key partnership, marketing agents would be help us to penetrate easily into the market, and these key partners can include paper or book manufacturers like school book company or classmate, etc. And schools and colleges can also be our key partners, as they are having increasing need of the paper. Competitive landscape, the alternatives to target the customers can be advertising the product either online or exhibitions. As per the competitive view of the landscape, it would be quite difficult to get the item into the market, as it is very new to the all, and hence it has demand for the product, which is also very less as compared to the tree based paper. The demand for the product would be less, because paper from the tree, bamboo tree, is much in demand. So and hence in the competition, our main goal shall be to convey the people how efficient and eco-friendly this product is, because we are using Areca husk, which is thrown away without any use of it, and hence it is very efficient. Our team mentor is Raj Mohan sir, and team members are Akshata, Darshan Yogesh, Gautam D. Suvarna, Likith Salyan, Sandeep Borade, Ravardhan K, Shravan K. Suvarna, Sumant, Vignesh Shettigar. And current tractions. Understanding the future of our product, developing specific goals, and a means to reach those goals in our first step is for a successful startup. And second one is charting these factors with respect to the time is critical is its critical importance to means of measuring of traction. Uh, we have cleared that all the doubts are related to the product with the help of the expertise in the field, in this field, who have expertise in the field. Uh, we have completed the ideation of the product, of our product. We have spent nearly 3 months either to the interview with the concerned people. Further, if we have any queries related to the product, we will approach them again in the future. And these are our future roadmaps. First one, the process would be all data regarding the project is collected. Duration within October 2020. Our second one would be preparation of the prototype by December 2020. Testing of the feasibility March 2021, and marketing which is by September 2021. Contact Sauhar Dinki. I would thank you for giving us an opportunity.